Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get a Rakuten Viki Pass free trial. First, open the Viki app or visit the official Rakuten Viki website. Then sign into your existing account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Next, open the Viki Pass section. And if a free trial is available for your account and region, then you'll see the offer during the subscription process. Follow the on-screen instruction to activate the trial, and you'll usually need to add a valid payment method, and the subscription may automatically renew unless you cancel before the trial ends. You need to keep in mind that free trial availability depends on your country and whether you've used one before. So that was how to get a Rakuten Viki Pass free trial. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.